Hi.
Recently I have uploaded a video on NIAIS admissions 2021. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it first. A lot of you have asked for a full tutorial on how to apply for these courses. So in this video, I am going to tell you about how you can apply to courses offered by the National Initiative for Artificial Intelligence and Security (NIAIS). In order to apply, visit NIAIS.org, click on Apply Now. On redirected page, click on Apply Now. Read their terms and conditions and click on Apply. Fill out all your details in the correct manner. Type your name in name field. Enter your CNIC number, active email, date of birth, gender. Then choose your course preferences. You can enroll in a maximum of 2 courses at a time. Fill in other fields in the application like educational details and your address. If you are referred, enter a referral code or leave this option empty. Verify entered information on this page and click Submit. After submission, you will see this fee voucher information. Print this fee slip and visit your Bank Alifa nearest branch to pay this fee voucher. After you have submitted your fee voucher, head to this fee verification section. Again, fill out all your details in this form and upload pictures of your deposit slip. After filling all these fields, submit this form. You will soon receive your login details and other information on your provided email after verification within 1 week. I hope you will find this video helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, comment down below. Hit subscribe to watch more videos like these. Bye.